it's Julia. Welcome back to my channel. Today is an exciting video because I'm going to be doing a first day of school outfit and makeup college edition. I'm a senior in college, so I've done it a couple good times, and I kind of feel like for myself and what I'm comfortable with, I've definitely felt out how I want to look on the first day of school and what's normal and stuff like that. But yeah, so I'm just gonna do this really simple and fast makeup look. It literally took less than 10 minutes, which is really awesome. And then I'm gonna show you guys a couple outfit options that are just really basic and chill first day of class outfits. With that being said, if you don't dress or like look how I've done my makeup or the outfits that I'm showing you, it literally does not matter at all, because everyone in college just does their own thing and nobody cares what each other looks like or is doing. Everyone's in the same boat because college is crazy and tiring, and if you roll into class looking like crap, literally nobody cares. So don't think that this is a video saying that you have to look like this to go to school, because you don't. All right, let's get started. Okay, so to start off this makeup look, I'm gonna go in with my IT Cosmetics CC Cream. I use the shade Light. There's not many options, which is a bummer, but so I'm gonna use this flat kabuki brush called Angle Contour by Urban Studio, and I am going in to my senior year of college, so I know like you really don't even need to wear any makeup. This is like what I'm gonna do if I'm really feeling like giving it my all. Because typically to class, even when you're a freshman, people look like crap and nobody really cares. So people just like literally don't wear makeup, they barely brush their hair. They wear oversized t-shirts and like running shorts to class, and everybody's just on the same boat of being a tired, lazy college student, so no one really cares. But if you really want to just look cute on your first day, I'm gonna show you how to be like cute and casual and not like trying too hard. But if you're like a huge makeup and fashion girl and your everyday is done up, no one cares either. Just no one really cares at all. Everybody like kind of accepts whatever everyone else feels like doing with themselves. It's a very accepting environment. But yeah, I'm just putting this everywhere, and I'm really not using much also because this is for class. Like most days I don't even wear makeup to class, so I'm kind of just like trying to be kind of light with this. But I really like this foundation. Since it's a CC cream, I kind of feel like it's not that serious and it's casual. Okay, and then for concealer, I'm using this Naked Skin Urban Decay concealer, and I'm just like doing 3 little dots under here to cover up my tired eyes. Just using the same brush, and then like kind of using the leftover that was on the brush to go on top. Okay, now that that's done, I'm going to set it with the Laura Mercier translucent powder, the beauty blender, and I'm just gonna go like this. And I don't really bake, I just kind of rub it in. Go like that, and then I just go set the eyelids. Ta-da! Now we're done with the beauty blender, and I'm gonna use this fluffy brush to pick up some of the powder and just finish off the rest of my face. Okay, so now that that super simple base is done, we're gonna just bronze it up. And for this one, I'm gonna use this more fluffy brush If I really feel like doing a contour with my bronzer, I will use this more precise little brush, but it's more of a casual makeup day, so I'm gonna use this fluffy one, dip it in my Tantastic Omega Bronze by Marc Jacobs, and just kind of warm up the face, but not too sharp. Okay, I'm feeling warm and pretty natural. Nothing looks cakey or anything, which is really good. That's what's good about the IT Cosmetics foundation. It just looks, it goes on the skin so well. But now, so for my highlighter, I'm going to take this Anastasia Beverly Hills A23 brush. I'm sure you've seen it a million times. It's the best highlighter brush. And I'm going to take MAC Soft and Gentle because we're going to school, so we want to be a little, you know, more subtle with our highlight today. Or, you know, this is just exactly what I would do for the first day of school. If you want to be blinding, go for it. Literally nobody cares. That's the great thing. So yeah, I'm just putting a little bit of that on my cheekbones. This is such a pretty highlighter. But for the eyebrows, I'm gonna take this Hourglass Arch Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel, and I'm just gonna do that, no pencil or anything, because I like to save eyebrow pencil for like going out or doing something extra special when I'm like super glammed up, and then on other days I'll just run this through my eyebrows. It's really nice and it adds a tint, and it just like is really natural. This is the exact same as Gimme Brow pretty much, but now that the brows are just brushed through with some tint, we are going to continue to keep this really chill and just darken the eyes slightly with the bronzer that is the same as here. So we're just having natural shades. I'm really into right now, or like when I'm trying to be more chill, I like to use the same products on my eyes that I use on my face. So for the bronzer, I use it as the eyeshadow, and then for the Soft and Gentle, I'm gonna put that in the corner of my eyes, like right here, just to add the tiniest pop, because otherwise I just feel like my eyes just look really bland and like they have bronzer on them and just nothing else. I feel like the little inner corner is necessary. And honestly, so for class, I would wear eyeliner, so I'm not gonna do eyeliner. I'm just gonna do my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, which is all I've been using this summer. This is like my new thing. Okay, that was also just super quick, which was really nice. But typically I would say that I would not wear anything on my lips to class besides like chapstick. I would wipe this foundation off that I have on right now and put some chapstick on. But if you're looking for something on your lips, a really natural and nice lipstick is this one by Bobbi Brown, and it's called Blondie Pink, and it's like sheer and kind of shiny and just adds a little bit of color. See, it's really a good color. I've been loving it all summer because all summer I've barely been wearing any makeup, mostly to keep my skin clear, but also just because I don't know, I haven't been feeling like wearing makeup. I've been feeling like being natural and letting the summer just do its thing with my skin without any makeup on. But this is the final first day of school college look. It's really light, it's really natural and it's very easy and quick. Okay, now I just turned it to vlog style, but I'm just gonna put some outfits on my bed that would be really cute and easy first day of school outfits that are foolproof. Like, they're just, to me, they're perfect, you know. Okay, so I've laid out some really basic back to school outfits. For my school at least, these would be perfect. Not only first day of school, but any day of school, but they're a little special because like they're denim shorts, for example. On any other day, most people wear like leggings or like Lulu shorts or something, very casual, but this is really good for like first couple weeks if you want to keep it jazzed up. So I have just these really simple tops. These are all from Brandy. Brandy just has really good basics that are so good for school, and most of my things are high-waisted, so the crop top thing isn't a big deal because there's like no skin by the end anyways. But then I just put like 2 denim shorts out, black and blue. These are, I love because they're just so comfortable. They're like slides, but they're nicer. Rainbows are shoes that every single person, at least in like the West Coast, wear as their shoes for the most part. And I go to school in Arizona, so it's always hot, so sandals are pretty much the only thing you wear. Then these are super good too for back to school, and you'll see a lot of Vans. Yeah, so those are a couple back to school outfits I picked out to show you guys that would be really good for your first day. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. There will be a lot more college themed videos because I'm about to be back in school in a week. Woohoo! And yeah, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and follow my Instagram for updates on my life because I'm very active on there and it's really fun to follow. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.